Hi students, welcome. This is Osha Max. So this is our 21th lesson, trigonometric identities, exercise 21A, question number 27. So in this sum, so you can take LHS to derive the RHS, and we can take RHS, you can derive the LHS. Okay, so I am going to do the two methods. So you can use which method is easy. Okay, so you can choose that method, you can do that. Okay, so first I am going to take the LHS. So before that we should recall some identities to use, so we are going to use this particular sum. So that is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, so 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Okay, so tan square can be right secant square theta minus 1. Okay students, this is one identity, and sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So cos square can be right 1 minus sin square. Okay, so take your LHS first. See, in this LHS we have cos by 1 minus cos. Okay, so we have to get secant theta. Okay, so cos should be changed into secant. So straightly we should not take conjugate. So in this sum, so different sum, so we can use cos, okay, by secant theta. So cos theta can be right 1 by secant theta. So both are reciprocals, so we can use this reciprocals. Okay, so how will you use 1 plus, for cos we are going to write 1 by secant theta, secant A, okay ma, divided by 1 minus cos A again. So for cos A we are going to write 1 by secant A. So then we can take cross multiplication because the denominator is 1, so you can give cross multiplication. How will you cross multiply? So this is secant 1, this is 1, so same way. Okay, so take this secant A plus 1 by secant A divided by, okay, so this is secant minus 1. See, secant 1 ones are 1 minus 1 by secant A. So in this sum we can cancel the denominator because both are equal. So we get secant A plus 1 and secant A minus 1. Okay students, so but still we didn't get the RHS. So to get the RHS, secant A plus 1, secant A minus 1, can take a conjugate. Sorry, this is minus conjugate, and we can multiply the numerator and the denominator. So here we are going to take the numerator's conjugate. So we get secant A minus 1 by secant A minus 1. See, this conjugate is for the numerator, not for the denominator. Usually we take the conjugate for denominator, but in the sum we are taking for the numerator. So the conjugate is divided, multiplying by numerator and the denominator. Okay, so we get, this is secant square A minus 1 by, this is secant A minus 1 the whole square. So what is the secant square minus 1 is secant square minus 1. See, yes, that can be right tan square. So numerator you can write tan square A by secant A minus 1 the whole square. So this is what our RHS. So that's all. Okay, so do you understand ma? So we have used such a different concept, so nothing but we have used in the other sums. So any other sums, this is the first time we are using cos theta 1 by secant, and we have taken the numerator's conjugate and multiplying that. Okay, so why we are doing this? Because we have to see that RHS also. Okay, so in the trigonometry sum which is given in the RHS we can see, and we have to derive to the LHS into RHS. Okay, so you have to see the answer, turn it. Okay, and next I am going to take this RHS into LHS. Okay, let's take our RH. So what is your RHS ma? So that is tan square A by secant A minus 1 the whole square. See, what is tan square theta? Tan square theta can be write secant square minus 1. So we can write secant square A minus 1 by secant A the minus 1 the whole square. Okay students, see this is, we can give square here, and this is A square minus B square. Okay, so I am going to write here, see secant A plus B, and this is A minus B, okay, by secant A minus 1. This is whole square. So both are different students, you should not confuse with that. So many of the students committing mistake here, I know, have seen your papers. See, this square is separate square, this is not a whole square. The square is secant has the square and one has the square, but this is the whole square. So both are different, we should not confuse with that. Okay students, so we can cancel because it is multiplication sign. Which one is cancel? See, can cancel this one and this one. So we get, what is in the numerator? Secant A plus 1 by secant minus 1. But still we didn't get the LHS. So to get that LHS, we have to, secant A can be right as 1 by cos plus 1 and 1 by cos minus 1. So take LCM. So take LCM. See, how will you take this? So the numerator we get 1 by cos A by cos A by, so this is 1 minus cos A by cos A. So in the denominator we have cos A can cancel. So we get 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. So this is our LHS. Okay, see students, we got our answer in two methods. We have took the RHS into LHS, we have derived the LHS into RHS. So both methods are easy, so you can choose any method. I think this method we have done only with few steps. This is also 1, 2, 3. So with 3 steps we got our answer. Okay, so this is a very simple sum. I hope you understand. So see, I am going to say again students, see, listen carefully. This is secant tan square. This is secant minus 1. So this is take our RHS. So you can you can take RHS or LHS. Okay, so to write the another side. So tan square theta can be right secant square minus 1. So with the identity, so secant square minus 1. So that is A square minus B square. So you can write just A plus B, A minus B. So the denominator, that is whole square, so you can write 2 times. So you can cancel 1, 1. So you get secant plus 1, secant minus 1. And secant can be right 1 by cos plus 1. So this is also 1 by cos plus minus 1. If you take just LCM, just to denominator, cancel your denominator, we got our RHS. Okay, so such a simple sum students. So let me say again, so please students, after seeing the video, you just take a note and do the problem. Watching the video, watching any video, okay, so definitely that will not help. Doing is important for mathematics. Practice makes perfect, so that is very perfect for mathematics. So please, after seeing the video, you do the problem. Okay, thank you.